Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, scores of Digicel and Flow customers were left in a tizzy today after service was disrupted for hours.
Now, in a joint statement, the telecoms providers revealed this was due to vandalism.
Describing it as an attack, Flow and Digicel say the incident affected both residential and business services for thousands of Digicel and Flow Jamaica customers.
Now, Flow and Digicel say the services have since been fully restored.
Chief Executive Officer at Digicel Jamaica, Stephen Marad, provided an update on today's incident.
I'm pleased to announce that we have restored both our mobile and fixed services to 100%. But I'm also deeply disturbed by the recent vandalism disrupting our telecommunications services. Such actions are reckless and harmful to nation building.
Now, Price is the Vice President and Country Manager of Flow Jamaica.
I'm happy to now confirm that after a morning of serious work, our team has rectified the damage and has fully restored all services that were down. As a nation, we've come to a critical juncture where we must work collaboratively to really defend our country and its citizens from senseless acts like these. As critical stakeholders in Jamaica's growth, we have to continue to invest in our network to ensure readiness for the future, and we urge all members of the public and other players to really join hands with us on this issue.
Some donors